Hi everyone, I'm Daria and today I'm gonna show you how to crochet flower earrings. This is a simple tutorial that you can finish in less than 1 hour. Alright, welcome back to DaryaCrochetLife. On this channel I post knitting and crochet lessons, simple and not so simple tutorials on how to make different knitting and crochet projects. So if any of that interests you, please subscribe to my channel. And if you see value in this video, make sure you're giving me thumbs up. It really makes a huge difference. And all the links I'm mentioning in this video you can find in the description box below. For this project, you're gonna need a yarn. I'm gonna use this crochet thread. I bought it at Michael's. The brand name is Aunt Lydia's Crochet Thread Classic 10. It is 100% cotton, mercerized cotton. So it is very, very thin and there is no information on, so this is the yarn weight. It's 0 all lace, but there is no information on how many meters per gram do I have in one ball. So just try to find something similar to something close to 0 or lace yarn weight. And on the label they recommend to use 1.5 millimeter crochet hook. I don't have this small crochet hook. The smallest that I have is 1.6 millimeters, so I'm gonna use this one. And I decided to pick this yellow color because this is one of my favorite colors and I think it would be very good in flowers, earring flowers. Okay, if you're interested I can tell you. So this is my color name, golden yellow, and this is all the dye lots. Also I bought earring hooks. I'm gonna use golden today. So I got them from Michael's as well. They're very simple and nothing special. I got them from Michael's. It was a kit. I don't remember exactly how many earrings, earring hooks there were in a kit, but there were 3 different colors. All the links will be in the description box below. Please check it out so you can buy the same products. And also you're gonna need scissors and we will need a marker, knitting marker, but make sure that you pick something like that because this marker is very thin and it's not making huge holes in our work. So try to find the thinnest knitting marker possible. Okay, we will start our work by making a magic circle. So wrap the end around 2 of your fingers like this and create a loop. Insert your hook into this big loop like that. This is a working yarn, the yarn that goes to the ball. We call it working yarn. So grab the working yarn and pull it here. It should be like that. And then grab the working yarn one more time and make a chain. So this is the magic circle. I want you to make 6 single crochet and all of them will go into the magic circle. So I'm insert my hook into the circle and I'm doing my first single crochet. You need to work as tight as possible. And that can be tricky because the yarn is very, very thin and the hook is very small, but you can do it. Okay, I've done 6 single crochet into the magic circle. Then I'm gonna grab this tail and hold all of your stitches with your left hand, pull the tail like this, and this will help to make a circle, a small round out of your stitches. Then take the marker and install the marker into the last single crochet that you just did, this one. And when you install the marker, make sure that you go through the both loops like this. Marker will show us the last stitch in a round. So in the first round we have 6 single crochet. Then we will start working in rounds, like spiral method. We will not do anything special at the end or at the beginning of every round. So right now you just your goal is to find the next space where you're supposed to insert your hook, and in order to do that correctly, so usually I count backwards my stitches. So I had 6, so 6, 5, 4, 3, this is 2, and this is 1. So this space is where I'm gonna insert my hook right now. And in the second round I'm gonna do 6 increases. Increase means do 2 single crochet into the same space. So that was 1. And then go with your hook into the same space and make second single crochet. Work like this to the end of this round, and at the end of this round you're supposed to have 12 stitches. So the next space will be with the marker. So I'm taking away the marker. I'll leave it on the table for a while, then use the next space and make 2 single crochet into that space. So that's my last increase. Then check yourself if you have 12 stitches. If everything is okay, so don't forget to install the marker into the last single crochet like this. In the third round, we're going to make 1 increase. That means 2 stitches in one space. And then 1 single crochet. And repeat this 5 more times, or work basically to the end of this round. And at the end of this round, you're supposed to have 18 stitches. Fourth round, we begin with 1 single crochet into the next space, then make 1 increase, and then work like that. 2 single crochet, each one will go into its own space, 1 and then 2 into the next space, then 1 increase. And you need to repeat these 2 single crochet, 1 increase to the end of this round. And at the end of this round, be careful, because into the last space where we have the marker, you need to make just 1 single crochet. And count your stitches. At the end of this round, you're supposed to have 24 stitches. Okay, in the next round, that would be round number 5. I want you to make a slip stitch into the next space. So you insert your hook into the next space, grab the working yarn, pull through the space and through the loop too. And then I want you to tighten that. Then let's work like that. Make chain 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 1 space, and into the second space make a single crochet. Then repeat this, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 1 space, into the second make a single crochet. Repeat this to the end of this round. I'm almost at the end of the round, so the next single crochet I'm making into the second last space. Then take away the marker and you see I still have a space for one more petal, so I'm gonna make 3 chains and skip this. This is the last space where I used to have a marker. I'm skipping it, and into the next one I need to make slip stitch. So, and in total after this you're supposed to have 12 arches or 12 petals. And the next round would be the last one. We are gonna make actual petals. Each petal you begin with single crochet, so insert your hook right into the arch space, the big hole. It would be here, and then next would be this one, next would be that one. So we start with the first one. So I'm inserting my hook here and I'm making the single crochet, then make double crochet into the same space, single crochet into the same space, and we finish with the slip stitch going into the same space. And tighten that a little bit. That's our first petal. Then go into the next big hole and repeat all this. So let me repeat it one more time. So I'm making single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, and a slip stitch. Work like this all around. Okay, I'm at the last petal right now. So I've done 1 single crochet into this last big hole. Then I make a yarn over, insert my hook into the hole, grab the working yarn, pull through, have 3 loops on the hook, grab the working yarn, pull through 2 and stop here. Don't finish your double crochet. At this point we will need to take the earring hook and I'm gonna insert like on one earring. I'm gonna hold my hook like this towards left, and I'm insert my sorry, and I'm inserting my crochet hook into this hole like that, and then just wrap the working yarn around, pull through everything. First through the hole on the earring hook, and then through the 2 loops. And after that finish the petal with 1 single crochet and 1 slip stitch and tighten everything. On one earring do like this, but on the other one, when you're gonna attach the earring hook, so you need to flip it and you will attach it like this way, and if you'll do that later, your earring hook will lean to the other side, which is actually very nice. It looks very nice on ears. Okay, and then we need to cut the working yarn. We don't need long tail. And pull this tail through the loop and tighten that. Very nicely. So you need to weave your ends. You can do it with the hook, or you can do it with the tapestry needle. Okay, let me show you real quick how to weave the ends. So first of all, make sure that this middle end, our beginning end, to be honest, so make sure that everything is tightened and you don't have a huge hole in the middle. And then thread the tapestry needle, and then just find any loop that is very close to the working yarn, something like that, and pull it through. So it should be all the next loops. There is no strict rule how to do that. You just kind of hiding the end into the single crochet. Yeah, I think that's enough. Then you can cut closer to the fabric like that and weave the other tail the same way. Make another earring the same way, and then you can iron it, you can steam it, iron it, and I'm gonna starch it, but you don't need to do that. It's just like if you have a starch and if you want this to be more flat and stable, so you can use a spray starch to strengthen the earring. If you have any questions on how to crochet these flower earrings, please leave me a comment. And if you're going to share finished project pictures on Instagram, please give me a credit and use this hashtag. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you'll receive notifications about all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.